Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanCho.com. I want to talk to you about buying that home warranty when you're a first-time home buyer. So you first-time home buyers out there probably don't have a lot of money in the bank. You know, it's struggling just to get the money for the down payment and the closing costs, and you want to buy some furniture. I would highly recommend you get one of those maintenance programs to make you at ease. So if your air conditioning breaks 6 months into it, now, or your furnace blows or something major goes wrong, you don't have to worry about a large expense the first year into it. It's only $500 a year. Now, I've heard some bad things about these insurance companies where you think you're gonna get a new furnace when it breaks. It's not true. They actually repair it. If they just can't repair it, then they'll replace it. So they'll at least repair it for you. You don't have to sweat it out when something breaks. So I highly recommend it for first-time home buyers to definitely give yourself that insurance policy for $40 a month. Why not? An extra $40 gives you that peace of mind until you can save up, and then you can start replacing all the electronic stuff like the furnace, the air conditioning, your fridge, your dishwasher, your stove. When you have all the new stuff, you can get rid of that home warranty program. But I recommend it for you. If you got any questions, give me a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.